Communication and social media do have a lot of benefits and drawbacks. Drawbacks meaning there's a lot of things that that aren't good for social media and communication. One of the benefits in social media is being able to leave comments on posts, so being able to give like feedback to, say, your peers, or not even your peers, just anybody. One of the drawbacks in social media could be, per se, not being able to understand what someone means, say in tone, just by a picture. It doesn't mean that you can understand what they're meaning, because there's a difference between face to face and then on the phone or through text or through a picture. In my personal life, I've seen a lot of things on the news that, celebrities or actresses, they've done something, but people really don't understand the meaning behind it. So they take it to a whole nother level, meaning they could get in trouble for it, or they could go to jail or something like that. And it wasn't even like that. So